Welcome back to Ngo Baby's Kitchen, my followers, my subscribers. Thank you all for following, thank you all for subscribing, thank you all for sharing. Today we are going to make chicken wings. I'm going to show you how to make chicken wings. To prepare it and put in oven. So we are going to make it with potato. This is the chicken wings. This is Maggi cube I'm going to use. 1 Maggi cubes. It depends the quantity. This is 3 packets. It's only 3 packets. 3 packets of chicken wings. And this is fresh pepper I'm going to use. I'm going to machine the fresh pepper with garlic. Then after mashing it, I have to mix it very well with the chicken and the Maggi. This is tomato. I'm going to put little tomato, very little. I will show you the quantity of tomato I'm going to use. This is the potato. This is the type of potato I use. It depends, any type of potato anyway you can use. But mainly, I want to show you how to enjoy chicken wings. You make it for your family, the children. Look at. See you later. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, Ngo Baby's Kitchen. Don't forget to drop your comments and share. Thank you very much for sharing. This is the pepper and little tomatoes and garlic. Now we have to pour it. Pour it. Then you put little salt. Add little salt. The quantity of salt you know you can use, you add. Then you add salt. After adding salt, then you turn it. You turn it together. Mix it very well. Mix it very well, very well. Try to mix this very well. And this is the potato. I've sliced the potato already. Then you put garlic. Put garlic inside the potato. I'm going to put the potato also in the oven. I'm going to put it in oven. The garlic will enter inside the potato in oven. So this is how to make delicious chicken wings. All is going to oven. All of them are going inside oven. So please drop your comments. If you want to enjoy chicken wings, this is how to make it. If you like, you can add ginger. But today, I decided not to put ginger. I add garlic, fresh pepper. I machine fresh pepper with garlic. Little tomatoes. Little, very little. You cannot even notice that there is tomato inside. Just little. And salt. I add 1 Maggi cube. All of them is mixed together. Depend the quantity of the chicken wings. This is 3 packets. It depends how many you are going to do. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments. My subscribers, thank you all. Bye. Now it's already mixed. I've mixed all together. Then I leave it for 10 minutes for the ingredient to sink inside. Now this is the time to put it in the pan. See you later. Now the chicken wings is ready to go into oven. This is the chicken wings now in the pan. This is the potato. Remember to put garlic inside if you want. It's not by force. It depends how you want it, no? Me, I like putting garlic inside. When you are eating it, you see the flavor. The flavor of the garlic inside the potato is very nice. This remaining one, I'm going to mix it with bread scrub. This is the bread scrub. It's very nice, natural one. Do you know what is bread scrub? That is the bread, the powder bread. You use it to mix it. I'm going to use it. Depends how you want it anyway. Me, I like 1 pan. I like to mix 1 pan of this like that. Then 1 pan with that. So this is bread crumbs. I'm going to use it for this one I left here. So this is the chicken wings. Please don't forget to subscribe, and like, and share, please. Bye. Now we put in oven. First one. Yeah. So now the potato is oven now. Hello guys, the chicken wings is ready now. This is time to eat. This is the chicken wings. Oh, yummy. This is the chicken wings. It's now ready. This is the potato. Delicious potato. Nice one. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments and share my video. Thank you all my subscribers. God bless you all. Bye.